Alright, here we go. File new. And we are working in metric. And we would like a standard millimeter IPT. And we're going to hit create. Okay, I'm going to start a 2D sketch on an XY plane. On XY plane, I'm going to draw a line from the midpoint. I'm just going to go up, over. We're going to be drawing the nose cone. Okay, so this here that I have drawn here, this is half of what your nose cones would look like. At this point, I'm going to select my middle line and change it to a center line. And then I'm going to take some dimensions. I would like this one here. See, as soon as I dimension to a center line, it, yep, center line.
Does it matter how big it actually is?
At this point, it does not matter how big it is. I'm just going to change my overhang to 1 millimeter. I'm going to change my height here. This here is called the shoulder. And this overall height here is the whole length of the rocket. So I'm going to make my whole rocket 50 millimeters, and I'm going to make my shoulder 25 millimeters. And this here, the tube, this is the inside diameter of the tube that you guys will get from SpaceCAD. If we took the diameter of our tubes, it would be 34 minus 1 minus 1. So 32. There we go. Once you are done that sketch, I'm going to finish it, and I'm going to do what I call as a revolve. It has an enclosed shape, and it has a center line right there. If I look there, that there would be my nose cone for my rocket. If you don't have a straight line here, if you guys have an arc there instead, you would obviously just go with an arc of sorts, whatever your arc is going to look like, and it would just change the shape of that like that. Okay?